Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
The problem number 3 is find the value of root 3 plus 1 whole bracket raise 4 minus root 3 minus 1 whole bracket raise 4. Now let's see the solution. The solution is quite simple. First of all, we simplify the first part of problem, that is root 3 plus 1 whole bracket raised 4 by using binomial theorem. So consider root 3 plus 1 whole bracket raised 4. By binomial theorem we have is equal to 4c0 root 3 raise 4 into 1 raise 0, then plus 4c1 into root 3 raise 3 into 1 raise 1, plus 4c2 into root 3 raise 2 into 1 raise 2, plus 4c3 into root 3 raise 1 into 1 raise 3, and finally plus 4c4 into root 3 raise 0 into 1 raise 4. So this thing we get by using binomial theorem. So the next step will be is equal to, now 4c0 gives us 1 into root 3 raise 4. It means root 3 into root 3 into root 3 into root 3. That is 4 times. So root 3 into root 3 we get 3. And again root 3 into root 3 we get 3. And finally 3 into 3 we get 9. So in this way root 3 raised 4 gives us 9 into 1 raised 0 by using indices rule, it is simply 1, plus now 4c1 gives us 4 into root 3 cube, that gives us 3 root 3 into 1 raised 1, so that gives us 1, then plus now 4c2, that is 4 into 3 upon 2 into 1 into root 3 square gives us 3 into 1 square gives us 1. Plus now 4c3 means 4 into 3 into 2 upon 3 into 2 into 1 into, now root 3 raise 1 gives root 3 into 1 raise cube gives 1. Finally plus 4c4 means 1, root 3 raise 0 we get 1, and 1 raise 4 power we get 1. So on simplifying further we get 1 into 9 into 1, so that gives us 9, plus 4 into 3 root 3 gives us 12 root 3 plus. Now for next step, here we go for cancellation, that 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So 2 into 3, 6 into 3, 18 into 1, 18. So in this way, we get answer plus 18 plus. Now here we cancel 3 from numerator and denominator, at the same 2 from numerator and denominator. So the remaining term, that 4 into root 3 into 1, so that gives us 4 root 3. And finally plus 1 into 1 into 1, so we get answer 1. So in this way we get root 3 plus 1 whole bracket raise 4 is equal to 9 plus 12 root 3 plus 18 plus 4 root 3 plus 1. Similarly, root 3 minus 1 raise 4, that equal to, so here again we get same answer but with alternate sign, that is 9 minus 12 root 3 plus 18 minus 4 root 3 plus 1. Now we consider total problem, that root 3 plus 1 whole bracket raise 4 minus root 3 minus 1 whole bracket raise 4. So that equal to 9 plus 12 root 3 plus 18 plus 4 root 3 plus 1, that we write in one bracket, and then minus 9 minus 12 root 3 plus 18 minus 4 root 3 plus 1. So on simplifying further, we write first bracket as it is, that is 9 plus 12 root 3 plus 18 plus 4 root 3 plus 1. Now if we open the second bracket with minus sign, then we get minus 9 plus 12 root 3 minus 18 plus 4 root 3 and finally minus 1. The next step will be, now here we cancel plus 9 and minus 9. At the same time plus 18 minus 18 plus 1 minus 1. And the remaining term is that 12 root 3 plus 4 root 3, again 12 root 3 plus 4 root 3. Now 12 plus 4 16 and 16 plus 16 32. So is equal to 32 root 3. So in this way we get a root 3 plus 1 whole bracket raise 4 minus root 3 minus 1 whole bracket raise 4 is equal to 32 into root 3. This is the required solution for the given problem. Thank you.